I know it's hard to believe, but it's already almost the start of next semester, and it's time to start working on our Wikipedia assignment. So let's get started. So say you open your Canvas and you have a message from me in your inbox, and it says, okay, here is the link to your Wikipedia assignment. You're going to copy and paste that into your search bar, and you will come to the Wiki Education dashboard. So this is our class, the History of Sociological Theory. If you scroll down, you can see a description of our class. You can see the instructors. There's Dr. Dickinson and myself. You can see the term, what university it's through, the start and end date of the project, and so on. So it's going to ask you to either log in with Wikipedia, so that's if you already have a Wikipedia account by any chance, or sign up with Wikipedia. And I'm going to log in with Wikipedia, and it remembers me. Oh no, I can't be in the same course twice. That's okay. You won't get this message. You'll get a welcome to the course. So this is, again, your Wiki Education dashboard. You can bookmark this page so you can come back to it easily. And here is kind of going to be the home for this assignment. So up here you can see different tabs. There's home, timeline, students, articles, uploads, activity, and resources. So feel free to click around and explore. You'll see the details that you saw when you were logging in or creating an account. And this home page will show you what week you are on in the assignment. Don't get scared. We'll break it all down. So under timeline, if you click under timeline, it breaks down the assignment and what weeks each part of the assignment covers. So for example, our class is asynchronous, but on your syllabus, it says that we meet Tuesdays and Thursdays, which is listed as the meeting times for this assignment. Again, the class is asynchronous. You can work on this at your own time, but it will also give you the week that you should be completing each portion of the assignment. So for example, this is January 9th through January 15th. Week 2 is January 16th through January 22nd, and so on. And you'll also notice that during your winter break, you have a natural break, so no scheduled meetings this week. So it should follow pretty nicely to the end of your second semester. So let's focus on week 1. Let's not get too overwhelmed. So we're going to start here. Introduction to the Wikipedia assignment. And it's welcoming you to your Wikipedia assignment's course timeline. So it's going to guide you through the steps that you need to complete your Wikipedia assignment, with links to the training modules and how to get there. So first, you're going to click on these resources. So if you click on Editing Wikipedia, it pops up a PDF that you can download right here, and it's going to give you a how-to guide for editing a Wikipedia assignment, just the basics. So why write for Wikipedia, getting started, and it'll walk you through all these things. Now, don't get overwhelmed. These are just introductory materials. Everything that's in these PDFs will be covered in depth throughout the modules. So you'll go back, and then you will click on Evaluating Wikipedia and work through that in your own time. Again, this is just giving you an overview of what Wikipedia is, how people contribute to Wikipedia, why it's important, and it's not to give you all the details at once. Don't worry. We'll go more in depth. So this is the module for this week. It's an in-class introduction to the Wikipedia assignment. And then if you scroll down, you get started on Wikipedia. So this is your assignment. So there's 2 portions for week 1 that you need to go over. There's Wikipedia policies and sandboxes, talk pages, and watch lists. So we're going to click View. And it gives you an estimate of how much time it will take you to complete. You should pay attention. They're really not very long. This will go through it. And there's a little quiz just to make sure that you're paying attention. Those will not be graded. So this is 1. And then sandboxes, talk pages, and watch lists. So again, a little overview of what these things are in Wikipedia. Again, not very long, 5 to 10 minutes. You'll go through this, make sure that you've understood it. And then by the end of week 1, your milestone is that everyone has a Wikipedia account. Pretty plain and simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to walk you through them. Thanks.